Samsung is already hard at work on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, even though you may not be thinking about it right now. While we don't have all the details yet, rumors about the Galaxy S25 Ultra are starting to surface. These rumors, combined with Samsung's impressive track record in smartphone updates, should definitely pique our interest for more news about this upcoming flagship phone. And as time goes on, we can expect the rumors to gain even more momentum. Considering Samsung's focus on Galaxy Eye features in this year's phones, it's safe to assume that the Galaxy S25 lineup, including the Ultra, will continue to push the boundaries in terms of artificial intelligence. And when it comes to the high-end phone market, Samsung seems determined to outshine Apple in the camera department. So it's no surprise that camera improvements are likely to be at the top of Samsung's to-do list for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. While we wait for more information, here's what we've heard so far about this highly anticipated device, along with our best guesses about what Samsung has in store for us. Firstly, let's dive into the design and display. Samsung has made a bold move by switching to titanium for the frame of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and it seems unlikely that they would make a drastic change for the S25 version. The recent Ultras have maintained a consistent design, with the cameras neatly stacked in vertical rows on the back and the lenses slightly protruding. It's safe to assume that Samsung will stick to this winning formula, but we can't be certain until the leaked CAD renders start surfacing in the months to come. Now let's talk about the display. Rumor has it that the entry-level model of the Galaxy S25 will see an increase in size, reaching a generous 6.36 inches compared to the 6.2 inches of its predecessor, the Galaxy S24. As for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, there's speculation that its screen will approach a hopping 6.9 inches, just a slight bump from the 6.8-inch display on the S24 Ultra. However, we should take this claim with a pinch of salt until we have more concrete information. In the race to outshine one another, phone makers have been pushing the boundaries of maximum brightness on their displays. Samsung has joined this game as well, boosting the peak brightness of the Galaxy S24 Ultra to an impressive 2600 nits, surpassing its predecessor, the Galaxy S23 Ultra, which clocked in at 1750 nits. It wouldn't be surprising if the Galaxy S25 Ultra takes it even further and raises the stakes once again. The Ultra model of Samsung's phone is all about the cameras. With a hopping 200 megapixels main sensor and a 100 megapixels space zoom feature, it's no wonder Samsung favors this phone. But what's in store for next year? Well, according to early rumors about the Galaxy S25 Ultra camera, there might be some exciting upgrades. A reliable leaker claims that the wide-angle lens will receive an unspecified upgrade, while the ultra-wide lens will jump from a 12 megapixels sensor to a 50 megapixels one. Now you might be wondering if these rumors hold any weight. Well, consider this: the same leaker accurately predicted the upgraded 50 megapixels telephoto lens on the Galaxy S24 Ultra before it was even released. So there's definitely some credibility there. But that's not all. The telephoto lens on the S25 Ultra is expected to have variable capabilities. We're not exactly sure what that means, but it could involve the ability to change focal length while connected to a single sensor. Leaker suggests that this could result in smoother zooms, especially when shooting videos. They claim that the S25 Ultra might have fixed focal lengths between 4 to 5x zoom and 6 to 7x zoom. However, there's a twist. Some sources say that Samsung is testing a prototype without the second telephoto lens, which would mean the S25 Ultra would have 3 camera lenses instead of 4. But don't worry, there's a potential solution. As per the leaks, Samsung might replace the missing lens with a 3x crop zoom feature from the main lens. So there's a lot of speculation and possibilities swirling around the Galaxy S25 Ultra's camera. We'll have to wait and see what Samsung has in store for us. But one thing's for sure, it's going to be an exciting upgrade. Meanwhile, the device is expected to run on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, a significant upgrade from the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 used in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Qualcomm has confirmed that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 will be released in October, aligning with the possibility of an early 2025 launch for Samsung's phone. Early benchmarks of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 have already surfaced, showcasing impressive performance that rivals the 18 Bionic-powered iPhone. There are rumors suggesting that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 will feature a 4.3 GHz prime core, a substantial increase from its predecessor. However, this power boost poses a challenge for Samsung and Qualcomm to ensure efficient heat management in a mobile device. It is speculated that the Galaxy S25 models will utilize a combination of Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 and Exynos 2500 chipsets, similar to the Galaxy S24. If Samsung follows the same strategy as the previous model, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely exclusively use the 8 Gen 4, while the S25 and S25 Plus may incorporate the Exynos Silicon in certain variants. It is worth noting that previous benchmarks indicated that the Exynos models of the Galaxy S24 slightly lagged behind the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 powered phones. However, the Exynos 2500 chip's new architecture may offer improved efficiency, making its inclusion in the Ultra model more favorable. There's a new rumor swirling around about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and it's an exciting one. Apparently, this flagship device will be equipped with faster UFS 4.1 speeds, which could significantly enhance its performance. What's even more intriguing is that this upgrade might be exclusive to the S25 Ultra, making it an even more enticing choice. With this improved speed, the phone will not only be capable of handling on-device AI capabilities, but also offer practical applications like recording 4K videos directly to a hard drive, similar to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now let's talk about battery life. The Galaxy S24 Ultra already impressed us with its 5000 mAh cell, which landed it on our best phone battery life list, with an impressive 16-hour and 45-minute result on our battery test. So when it comes to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, we're not particularly concerned about its battery life. Rumors suggest that Samsung might stick with the same 5000 mAh battery for the S25 Ultra, which should still provide ample power. However, it would be great to see Samsung enhance the Ultra's wired charging speed beyond the current 45 watts. Unfortunately, it seems less likely at this point. On the bright side, there are whispers that the battery might be getting larger to accommodate the power draw of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip. But even if the capacity does increase, it's uncertain whether it will translate into a noticeable difference in practical battery life due to the chipset's demands. All in all, the Galaxy S25 Ultra seems to be shaping up as an impressive device with its potential speed boost and reliable battery life. We can't wait to see what other surprises Samsung has in store for us. It's never too early to start speculating about the next big thing from Samsung, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. With Android 15 on the horizon and the second developer preview already underway, it's safe to say that the S25 Ultra will come equipped with the latest software. And if history is any indication, we can expect the same 7 years of software support that the Galaxy S24 received. But what really excites us are the potential additions to the Galaxy AI features. The S24 lineup introduced some impressive AI capabilities, and we can only imagine what Samsung has in store for the S25 Ultra. Will there be exclusive features for the higher-end model? Only time will tell. One thing we do know is that Samsung is always looking to push the boundaries of what their devices can do. The entry-level S24 was able to perform the same tasks as the premium Ultra thanks to the support of Galaxy AI features. And there's even talk of equipping the Bixby personal assistant with generative AI capabilities. The possibilities are endless. So, as we eagerly await the arrival of the Galaxy S25 Ultra in 2025, let's share your expectations for the upcoming lineup. What features do you hope to see? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to stay tuned for more updates on our channel. Until then, take care and see you in the next one.